And you are the lion of Jamaica. Tell them about the lion ready.
Yeah, man, the lion ready tough, man. Cause you see what day, you don't feel like so we get the whole night rest. In the morning when we jump up, we still feel like we're not going to rest. So I say, hold on, something wrong, man. And one time I look, I say, run. And I say, yes, my ticket does. I just get my ticket. So he introduced me to the lion.
Ready.
Right now, people, you ready? Cause I feel different right now since I started the lion.
Multivitamin.
Yeah, I'm not tired again. The multivitamin.
And the performance.
And the performance. I'm not tired again. Right now, I feel like I'm going to run down a Freeport and forward. Yeah, real thing, people. I don't know, joke thing, or I try. Feel over the nothing. They just feel good over the pill them. Yeah, them good. Yeah,
natural enough.
Yeah, them
natural enough, brother.
Yes, man.
I get my one, I start
you can feel, right now, I feel like I start go do about my training again. Because I know normally I'm a physical fit person.
Yeah.
So like we 100 press up a day and we don't do it. So this go drive me back to do it. Yeah,
so
man.
You notice that even your skin look fuller.
That change thing because we didn't need them stuff from when. We didn't need the
B1,
multivitamin.
B2, B3.
We didn't need the multivitamin them.
Magnesium,
and
copper.
It's like, that's why I say we use the term ticket. It's like you didn't know some need the stuff them.
Okay.
Yeah, you didn't know some need them. Because you just come the right time with them. You know what I mean? Because I don't feel so Josie. And we just take like maybe couple three section segment.
Hey,
you understand?
And when you take them for 2 months to kick in, you know. And 2 months you have
2
to take
months.
them final.
So that's one out. So when we done,
so
when we finish this then, I have to get one seal pot then.
Yeah, and get
some.
You know, when you get it for your wife, no.
Yes, cause
save up your money, brother.
Because she said she want one of the lioness one them.
I just shipping me cover for you.
Sure.
Me want go on a full
price.
Yeah,
means you just give it the price you buy it for.
Yeah.
No problem.
Because I want to take care of you.
No problem.
Because you are the lion ready
yes,
representative, you know.
Yes, man.
So we test it for you in Jamaica.
We need to stay firm, brother. You understand? And you go see the end result, you may continue to take this thing to people.
More you do video
because,
for me.
Yes.
More you do push up with more
yes, because when you finish...
Consistent. Bring it in your bag. Yes. Don't left it here, so don't left it there, so. No left it.
Yes, so guys, anytime I finish this stuff, you're going to see who am I. Because I'm going to give you 100% of this time.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, man.
We really appreciate that,
man. Of course. And I'm going to need back one.
And natural herbs.
Natural herbs, yeah.
And
it's not pill, people, sorry. It's natural herbs.
Yeah.
Herbal.
Yeah.
It's herbal. Don't get it wrong. Sorry if I use the wrong term, pill. No, we don't take pills. No. Yeah, herbal
this
tablets.
This is natural lion ready.
Herbal.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
So I'm glad to say you represent Jamaica. I want to say, oh, yo.
Some physical thing we'll push
because the other day, I started taking my one, I'm ready for run on the block and I'm ready for.
Yes. That is why.
Ready.
You see, at the end of this term, that's why I was going to show you once a day around. I go to the car and say, run, you go out to Bottom Road, we go do some stuff.
Do some workout.
We go do some stretches and all of that.
All right.
Because that's my stuff, that
I'm with it.
That is my stuff.
So you what we're going to do?
Because swimming means you get the whole of the muscle activated.
I'm going to match how much it costs for just a flat rate.
Yes.
I'm going to order your and your wife in advance.
We need it.
Save up a little cash as soon as you can because the mere you can start now.
Yes.
Show them.
Good. Yes, that
mere you can start running.
Yes, go on do it. Even night.
Anytime you're ready. My lion, so my lion ready. You ready?
It don't have to be long. We can do like 1 hour, or a half hour session.
It don't matter because more you train me.
A long time. No problem. No problem, Ron. That is no problem.
How old are you now?
48, I'm going to
48, I'm 50,
now.
so if 2 a week can
we actually the same age, we're not really different. If you know
I'm so happy
if you know the person probably look.
Your whole energy come more time to come in the morning and check you on your
concept. And your energy look low.
You kind of ease, come see you push out and you just rush out and say, you're run.
What?
This is the life change and balance.
Believe me. As I see you come right there, so you just run them head, say, no man, I have to tell you run the program, man. You know, sir, them herbal thing that it make me feel different. Because I don't feel the drowsiness this morning. Even the day before, see me, because each section, each day you take them, the other day you feel more energized. I terms. Not sure if you remember this term.
Even your mental.
Yeah, everything changed, man. I think more straighter. You know what I mean? I feel more healthier in myself.
Get whiter.
I feel more healthier in myself.
Yeah.
Alright, you see my urine, I saw me know where they work. You see my urine, I check the color of my urine.
Got it.
So it clean out, it me like what it do.
Yeah.
I understand, I can recommend this thing. Me see where it work and I'm not do 2 months yet. I don't do 1 month neither. About 3 weeks I reach a month. So I still need another month to really, you know what I mean, if you get on top of the game. Yeah man.
I
So
tell you I can't live without it.
yeah man.
Because it keep me up.
Yes,
you see
man.
my grip?
Yes man.
My grip strong.
Yes man.
My grip strong.
How long now you take it?
Well, I just start a week because I did give him my first work.
Okay.
Me get mine and me give to now.
So that's one now.
So
We all in the same boat then.
Me and you there on the
We
same,
there in the same boat.
levels.
So the same time energy I step up, same time your
So you
energy
want me
go
to
the
set a
most up.
day for me and you to start running.
Yeah man.
Me
Yeah
to set
man.
a day.
You can swim too. You can swim.
I'm not the best.
Yeah, you man say now. You
Because
can
it's a
swim.
day for
Yeah,
run.
listen me now. You can't swim. So you still got have the routine in the sea, but we have a boundary where the water in the pass on in your chest. Means you go still lay down on the water and exercise the muscle.
So you're sure you're
Because-
going to take a break for this? You're sure you're committed to this?
Hear me now, Ron. As I tell you, when I have to use no long hours, we can use half
1
hour or 1 hour.
Yeah.
1 hour or half hour.
Yeah.
Due to the timing where we move half hour or 1 hour, because that's a lot of work.
What do you think good for you? Come here, the world has said this, you know, so I want
Yeah,
to
hear
breathe.
me now. Any day is the day. It's any day you come out and energy and you feel that energy. I know what to. Yeah, nice like when the business back off.
Alright,
6, 7 o'clock. It gonna be the hours there. Because you know a kid have to
You know what, make we take a night and then we just, even the highway,
Yes.
we do a little jogging.
Yes, yeah, no problem.
May I go get
no
the shirt
problem.
then?
Yes. I don't know what next thing come.
I want to get a whole team of people to start
Yeah,
get ready.
more you get. You have to go, I left to forget it. I kind of have it for me to forget it. I want to get a pair of gloves. When I want to look out nobody teeth or none, because we already
Boxing.
do them thing there, yes.
Boxing.
But it's just some shadow boxing here though.
Got it,
It's
got
all
it,
workout.
got it.
Yeah, build up both the immune system and your muscle.
Got it.
Swell up back your muscle again. Because more I start training, I double up my size. Because some stay up and training.
got
So
it.
I don't train, I get
I'm going to
loaded.
blend the seam
You know what I
as well.
mean? Yes. I understand.
blend that for you
So
too.
all of that, we need for that.
We need to get it together.
Yes.
No matter the
Have a
weather.
fruit, have a foot.
It's a late
Because
night.
fruits them important.
Get us some
Orange,
skipping
ripe
rope.
banana,
Skipping rope.
and pine and all of that. Skipping
Some
rope,
push-ups
yeah.
also.
All of that for the
So I
right
have one
our
of the
foot.
cement barbell, you know.
Yes. So
I make
listen
one
now.
myself.
See this, what we have also. We want to do a freestyle gym right here.
Take with time.
Yes, guys. We need a free. It means that it's when we start, we're going to have other people where we are
Oh,
trained.
come ready.
Where we are
Get
trained because
lion
we're capable.
ready.
We are capable.
And we have to
You
set the
understand?
pace.
Yes. So we have to do these things because we see
I
a lot
love
of
it,
people
man.
doing it. You understand? So why not?
Because you see
why
the
not?
changes when I bring us some. I bring the history, I want to bring the health.
The health, because it's important.
Yeah,
You see that talk
two of
we
them.
use, change and balance.
Yes.
You see talk we
We're going
use.
to bring some ginger too.
Yes,
you know.
man. I whole team. Change and
A
balance.
change and
The
balance,
terms.
yes.
You see that change term we use. You know,
A
so
big
what day
thing,
I
man.
surf the internet. I know, yeah, some, I don't remember the individual, but he said something about change and balance. Reflect, right? I said, damn. I said, this bro, have it going, man. Because he use that term, change and balance. I don't know, joke that it's not a joke
the
that
only
it's change
truth
and
in the
balance.
universe.
Because when you see other people that use it up, means that it is a thing where out to the surface where I don't know, all we like recognize it. So anyone who don't recognize it, you have to push upon them.
Yeah.
Because there's nothing wrong.
No, it is
I
the only
mean,
truth.
yeah,
It is
it's
the
a real
only
thing.
truth, brother.
Yes, man, change and balance.
If you
man.
live it, you know.
Yeah,
it's the
man.
only
So
truth.
if you're not up on the right path, you tell yourself to change around
Some
the
half a
attitude
balance.
and shove out back again and go up on your right path.
You
Yeah,
see
man.
what make me happy is when when me forward and me bring changes and me see the effect.
Sure.
When me see man like you light up and me say, all right, next
Alright.
chapter,
Yeah,
health are the
that's
next
the
chapter.
last thing. But me have got, I put on some, say me can put on some US, so I get 20 US and I $10 them, I put them down car. One thing more you get for me, that's my personal gear.
Yeah.
Me have a old gear, you know, but I think me need a new gear. If you know what is a gear, it's a karate suit.
Okay,
Me a Iron Man,
Gotcha.
size 5.
Yeah, the real thing.
Yeah, so when you check the price for me,
You can
want
check
a size-
it
want
on
a size
Amazon.
5
Check
gear.
it on Amazon.
2 I want, but I want buy them one white one and one black one.
But you see,
Understand?
your
The name Iron Man.
sister can buy it at the shipping place too, you know.
Oh,
They will buy anything at the shipping place
Hold
for
on.
you, you know. Your wife.
Oh, like order it.
Yeah, man.
Alright, you see new work what she go get. She go to work online.